Gradation of land. Creation and destruction are a natural rule, and the Earth's surface is no stranger to this. Processes that wear down some areas and build up others to level the Earth's surface are collectively classified under gradation. Degradation processes like weathering and erosion make the highlands low, while lowlands are raised by aggradation processes like deposition. Weathering causes large rocks to break down into smaller pieces. It can happen through various processes. Cyclic expansion under the sun's heat and contraction at night cause the rocks to crack and break down. In cold and moisture-rich areas, water that accumulates in the rock crevices freezes and expands, causing the rock to break down. Chemical weathering occurs when dilute acids in the rainwater slowly decay the rocks. Biological weathering is caused by living beings. Roots of plants grow into the cracks in rocks, causing the rocks to break. Burrowing animals also break down rocks. The broken rocks and soil particles are carried far away by the process of erosion. Running water, wind, and living beings are the major agents of erosion. Water of a river flowing down a hill carries a lot of mud and rocks with it. In a similar way, wind too carries soil and small rocks away from their original locations. Humans cause erosion in many intentional and unintentional ways. Erosion of one place leads to the settling of soil, rocks, and sediments in another place. This process is called deposition or aggradation. Deposition may lead to the alteration in the existing landforms and also in the formation of new landforms. In fact, the processes of weathering, erosion, and deposition are the shaping hands of the Earth's surface.